Come in, man. Rasta want reason with the eye, you know. Hey, yo. No, man. Cool, no, man. Make Rasta show you a thing, man. A long time Rasta look on the eye and I say, boy, trust me, the eye is round like some English pounds still now. And I say, and a long time I try to say, eye spray, take the eye differently. Yeah, man. Hey, you affect Rasta some serious kind of way, you know. That's what I say. Right now, I see you like my queen. That's what I say. When I take the Black Star Line and I go back to Ethiopia, you, it's like the Queen of Sheba and I like King Solomon. I just did there and sit down for me throne. And the Rasta says sit down for me throne, I mean sit down for me throne. A serious thing. Make Rasta show you a thing and two is the dark thing. But no. It's right about now, sister. You see, if you're April, me and May, if you're night, me and day. You see, if you are the lizard, me the limb, if you're the chimney, me the rim. You see, life without the eye, it's like the Rasta coming to sin. You see, Rasta said, no, Rasta want to be differently. I don't like call like a little cover name, like when I call him like a Bubba Joe, that's it. No. I want you to reason like differently, just call I Africa.
Africa, Mr. Wicked?
Yes, I.
Why Africa?
Don't forget the miss part, man. I'm going to show you why I call it Africa. I have a birthmark, right? I'm going to show you the birthmark.